Welcome to this meditation for cultivating inner peace and calm. In our busy lives, we often get caught up in the whirlwind of thoughts, emotions, and responsibilities. Today, we will take a moment to pause, slow down, and reconnect with the stillness that resides within us. Through this practice, we will gently guide ourselves toward a place of tranquility and inner peace. To begin, find a comfortable seated position. You may sit on a chair with your feet grounded or on a cushion with your legs crossed. Let your spine be tall but relaxed, allowing your body to settle into stillness. Rest your hands gently on your lap or knees, and when you feel ready, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's take a few more deep breaths like this, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly, releasing any tension or stress you may be holding now. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Bring your attention to the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Notice the cool air as it enters your nostrils and the warm air as it leaves. With each breath, imagine that you are inhaling peace and calm, and with each exhale, you are letting go of any tension, worry, or restlessness. As you continue to breathe, imagine a soft, warm light glowing in the center of your chest. This light represents your inner peace, your calm center that is always present even in the midst of life's challenges. With each breath, see this light grow brighter and more radiant, filling your chest with warmth and tranquility. Now expand your awareness to the rest of your body, starting from the top of your head. Gently scan and down through your body, noticing any areas where you might be holding tension. As you become aware of these areas, imagine the warm, calming light gently flowing into them, soothing and relaxing each part of your body. Bring your awareness to your forehead, allowing it to soften. Relax your eyes and jaw, letting go of any tightness. Feel the light spreading to your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension you may be holding there. Let your arms and hands become soft and relaxed. Now, feel the light moving down through your chest and abdomen, bringing a sense of calm to your entire torso. Allow your hips, legs, and feet to relax as well, feeling grounded and supported by the earth beneath you. As your body settles into stillness, allow your mind to do the same. You may notice thoughts arising. This is perfectly normal. Rather than getting caught up in them, imagine your thoughts as clouds passing through the sky. Simply observe them without judgment and let them drift away. Return your focus to your breath, using it as an anchor to stay present in this moment of peace. Now take a moment to connect with the stillness within you. Beneath the surface of your thoughts, emotions, and daily concerns, there's a deep well of peace and calm. This place of inner stillness is always available to you no matter what is happening around you. As you breathe, allow yourself to fully experience this inner calm, letting it wash over you like a gentle wave. In this space of calm, know that you are safe. You are exactly where you need to be. Allow any tension, worry, or stress to dissolve as you rest in this moment of deep peace. Know that you can return to this place of inner stillness at any time, simply by turning your attention inward and connecting with your breath. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to appreciate the peace and calm you've cultivated. Gently bring your awareness back to your body, noticing the sensation of your breath and the feeling of the ground beneath you. When you feel ready, start to wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly bringing movement back to your body. You may choose to stretch or gently move your head from side to side, whatever feels good for you. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes, returning to the present moment, carrying with you the sense of peace and calm you've cultivated here today. Thank you for joining me for this meditation. May the calm and peace you've experienced today continue to guide you through the rest of your day.